already see the mountains. Ladakh is calling.
Wow, look at that.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए कुर्सी की पीटी बांधने का संकेत अब शुरू कर दिया गया है। कृपया आप अपनी कुर्सी पर लौट जाएं और साथ लाए सामान को ऊपरी सामान कक्ष या सामने की कुर्सी के नीचे रखें। इस समय लैपटॉप
Shut up. Tell us the Ladakh.
Ladakh is it?
Oh my God, the Ladakh. We are in Ladakh. The mountains are the gun. To Ladakh. Ladakh listening. We got to Ladakh today. They said you can't shoot in the airport, so we can take pictures here. Check the mountains up. Okay, Toyota Krista. Diesel motor. We have this car for us for 7 days. The Ladakh. We are ready.
Such a pack in Yahodo. Especially Dili Nelena. But they bet on high redo. Redo Shiro.
Yeah. Stay.
Namshida Rajeto. Shiro. Tamanzo. Pöda lever the chick see that. How about the singing here?
Actually, Pöla didn't.
Chick chicken.
Mare didn't. Don't didn't mail Pöla.
You said the Mesa Yorwa.
You know, there, Lela the Kila river Yora. River the Chini Mare.
Redition in Jungu Charwa.
Firstly, welcome to Ladakh. Ladakh, let us less.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Welcome, Gomba.
Thank you so much.
Ani Ladakh welcome pe Mangyu USA.
Thank you.
And thari ni kinzu trip to start chi USA. Plus.
Oh, on the first day the Mangyu house. Mangyu house there. We are in Mangyu house the first day. We're going to acclimatize here. Our tour starts from tomorrow, 6 days. The hotel. We're going to go to the main square.
City Toast. No home.
Full-fledged breakfast.
Oh yeah.
Breakfast shimbu. There's fruits, pancake, butter, jam, egg, chapcha, Tibetan tea with this view. Our trip is organized by Shamas, YouTuber Shamas.
Actually, he's a biker.
Actually, young. Anyway, Karsa Kalape Abudu and Desai Abudu. Very pretty. Nice hotel. Tadira Daranzu. Kala Sadugan view. Tatanda the Camel China. You can see the Gomba. There's a Gomba on top. It's an old monastery on top. There's a monastery right on top. See? There. Let me go this side. There, Lamde. It's written Lamde. I believe it's a school. Lamde school.
They want to see the view.
So here is our room. It's a twin bed. The bathroom is pretty nice, big. Shower is nice. We took this view room here. And we actually stayed here to acclimatize. We took some nap. We got here around 9 a.m. Right now it's 5 p.m. So we've been in the room in the hotel area just acclimatizing. Now, after this coffee, we're gonna go for a walk to the main. The water's flowing down here from the glaciers. Here's a really nice looking hotel. The Hotel Yakushuzdu. Don't know what the name is. Oh, here, Samaya Hotel. So the first day, me and Gomba, we're going to walk to the main market. It's about 10 minutes walk from our hotel.
Thank you, Dosa.
Yeah, it's very
You can see that.
amazing weather.
This is the old market.
Beautiful hotel here. Another one there. It's beautiful. Every house seems to have like a carving on the window. Window carving chikdu there.
You shouldn't do that. You see that.
Old Tibetan refugee market. The Tibetan market, Buddha. There, Bhewa market. This is now we're going towards the main market. Okay, we're going to enter Leh market. The Leh market. So this is pretty much like Sikkim's MG road. There, it's all no cars allowed. Market, the Leh main market, the entrance there. Amazing. Look at this. This is the mosque in Leh. Leh main market mosque. It's beautiful. And then there we go. That's the main market. We entered the main Leh market. Beautiful. Yeah, local. It's a local Ladakhi gunzama. Chala tsongidu. Se tsongidu. Kamu tsongidu. Oh, this is a mosque. Beautiful mosque.
Ladakh specialty.
दी खजूर है 200 किलो का
Şirin yapacağız şu gibi.
Ala di kambu. Di kambu.
Dry chini kodu dry.
Ala di real fruit kambu.
Yeah.
Ala tata gombo kambu. Pure kambu yoidu de Ladakhla. Kilo chega. Katsa kilo chega la.
Didn't you?
Ala 75 rupees for half. 차 벼자디 캐란주 수임배. 예.
क्या
차 벼자래.
क्या बोचा रे दस के
말 망고 슈즈도아.
मार ना जाने
Oh. Okay, we walked the whole Leh main market. There's a toilet near the Leh market. And there, kya hai ji? Swachh Bharat, clean Bharat. This toilet is just after Leh market ends or begins. There's a nice building. It's called Chospa. And the view, check it out. And this hotel, Chospa, is built with local, Ladakhi resources. It's beautiful. This area here. We don't know what hotel this is, but it's just, the architecture is beautiful.
Yarab Ladakh la bet kora explosive chi de da. Egi monastery dekho antane be hoshi.
Refugee market. Long live His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Amazing. You can see these old structures just from, the main town here. There's a monastery up there. There's another monument up there. What are these shoes doing? But these ones are the break link here. They're sitting down in the chair and kambusa. Pure Ladakhi kambu. Shimu shoes dusa.
Yeah.
And then also there, then is saying. Here's the main view of the Ladakh Square. And it goes like this. They have Koreans here. A bunch of good places to eat here. This is in the main street. The hustle bustle at night. Gonda choose a Geba. 8 o'clock at night, Leh market. It's hustling and bustling. Alright, you can't miss this sign here. It's beautiful. I love Ladakh.